Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to draw a portrait from a reference using Procreate. This will be part 1 of a 2-part series, so please go check out my other video when you are finished. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is open Pinterest or the internet and type in reference photo. Then you can scroll until you find the one you like and save that to your camera roll. Try to pick something straightforward or simple, as this is just for practicing purposes. Once you save it, open up a photo editing app like Facetune. I am using an app that's called Peachy. I like this app because the editing is very easy. The app automatically recognizes the face in your photo, and really you only have to click a couple of buttons to adjust it. So here I am slimming down the face, making the eyes bigger and the nose a little bit smaller, just to make this reference my own. And here you can see the before and after. And I will link this app into the description if you would like to check it out. Next, you will save that to your camera roll as well. Now open up Procreate and click the plus sign to make a new canvas. Click the little actions tool in the left-hand corner and add your photo. Next, you want to click Fit to Screen at the bottom of the canvas and click OK. Now we want to adjust our canvas size to crop in the photo. Click Actions, Crop and Resize, and now you can adjust until you find something comfortable. I want this drawing to be pretty close, so I'm going to crop my entire canvas as well as the photo. So once you click done, now we are ready to start drawing. Start by adding a new layer and making sure it's placed above your reference photo. Next, select a pencil from the tools. I like to use the plain Procreate pencil that comes with the app, and I like to use it in a nice blue color. Zoom in close and begin tracing the features of the face. I know there's questions around tracing a photo, but this is how I learned and how I practice. And the focus of today's video is really the coloring, not really drawing up the portrait. So now that you have your basic sketch, we can begin coloring. Select the reference photo and shrink it down into the corner of the canvas. Make sure you move this layer above your sketch layer so you can see it. Create a new layer and place it under the sketch layer. At this point, you want to start naming your layers, so I'm going to change my sketch layer to the word sketch so I don't lose it as we keep adding more and more layers. To begin coloring, I downloaded a pack of brushes from Gumroad, and I will link them in the description below. They are my favorite for coloring. Now you want to place your finger on the canvas and hold until you see the circle pop up, and this will help you pull colors from the photo to use. I am choosing a middle tone skin color and now coloring in the skin. Keep pulling colors from your photo for the different parts of the face and clean up the edges. Make sure you fill in all the basic shapes and make sure you create a new layer for each shape. You have to trust this part because it will look a bit crazy. Don't worry, it will get better as we start blending. Just build up slowly. For blending, I like to take the smudge tool in another brush pack that I downloaded from Gumroad. You can simply use the airbrush tool, but I will also link this in the description below. And once you have everything blended out the way you like, that's it for today's video. Make sure you stay tuned for the second video where we will add more intricate detail and finish off this piece. Thank you guys. Bye!